All right, my friends, welcome back. For this, we're going to install an application for Ubuntu called Cornyjokes using the command line, the terminal. And for Windows users, don't panic. You can just copy and paste. I'll have this below in the show notes. It's sudo snap install Cornyjokes. Keep in mind that Cornyjokes is one word. Tap enter. And of course, the password. My password is meatballs and pasta. And to launch this, we can just type in Cornyjokes. All right, let's see what kind of jokes we have here. What do you call cheese that's not yours, isn't yours? Nacho cheese. How did Darth Vader know what Obi-Wan got for Christmas? He felt his presence. What do you give to a sick lemon? Lemonade. Uh-huh, okay. Why was the JavaScript developer sad? Because he didn't know how to express himself. Okay, I think mine are better. What lights up a soccer stadium? A soccer match. All right, last one. My wife said I should do lunges to stay in shape. That would be a big step forward. I have a better one. I just got an award for the world's most secretive person. I can't tell you how much that means to me. Hi, Arnold. That's all I have for this one. I need some coffee. And remember, the world is watching Total OS today. Yes. All right. That's all. Have a good day. Ciao.